Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the cooking kit on Grow a Garden. So we have this new thing called the garden guide. You're just going to select it. It's in gear items. Press on it again. And then in common achievements, you'll see that you'll need to complete these quests. I don't know, these tasks to get the cooking kit. So you'll need to gift 1 carrot, sell 500 strawberries, gift 5 strawberries, harvest 200 carrots, I think I said that, and shovel 100 plants. Now for the gift 5 strawberries, you cannot trade, so you have to gift it like one by one to another person. And I'm just going to finish the rest of the tasks here and get the cooking kit, and I'll be right back. Once you're done with everything, go back to the guide here. And then go back to common achievements, select claim. And then as you can see, you will get the cooking kit and the silver. Okay, well, just select claim again here. So go to the cosmetics tab, this one, and then you'll be able to see the cooking kit here, and you can just place it on your lot and you can cook basically, obviously, whatever you want. Oops. Hold on. But yeah, that is how you can get the cooking kit on Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.